ERP not delivering in the executive suite? I can tell you how to fix that. I've investigated dozens of substandard ERP implementations and advised clients how to turn them around. In response to this, I wrote a book and then I ran multiple executive briefings. This resulted in a unique proprietary 7-step process that, if accurately followed, will guarantee you an excellent ERP outcome for your existing installation. This video is to share that with you. You're not alone. Interview with the CEO of a FTSE 100 company. Please rate your big brand ERP. Operationally, 8 out of 10. At the strategic executive level, 1 out of 10. So we see that strategic focus is critical, but it's largely not understood. And he is not alone. Gartner, 55 to 75% of ERP projects do not deliver what was promised. 2 counterpoints, a couple of my success stories. The auditors just left after 6 weeks. Last year they were here for 6 months. We have masses of management information and profitability has improved. Another case, facilitated growth, new distribution center necessity, secured the Dior account, very prestigious, with an immediate 12% revenue uplift. How would you like your ERP data warehouse and BI or a high-performance strategic information engine? Answers to questions that you've not previously thought to ask. The ERP has become an indispensable part of decision-making across the business. My free, no-obligation 7-step recipe masterclass will tell you how to do that. So this 7-step process evolved over a number of years. It's proven, and I'll share with you how that works on the masterclass. Correctly applied, it delivers a world-class, strategically effective result leading to improved profitability and growth, what I call a thrive outcome, and that's in my logo, and that's what my business is about. It's helping clients to thrive. So I encourage you to take action now to learn the recipe. It's been said that if you do not act on a new idea within 48 hours, you probably never will. So reply to the email with which you received the link to this video, and I will send you a link to the masterclass by return. If you would like more information, please stay on for the next few slides. Story behind the second success case study. I had just completed my lecture to the Gibbs Executive MBA class. A delegate approached me. Dr. Robertson, my name is Robert. I'm sitting with a failed ERP implementation. Can you help me? We met a few days later and I proposed my standard pulse measurement. I conducted the pulse measurement and made recommendations. My recommendations were accepted and I took on the project leadership, working closely with Robert. Step 3, strategic alignment. It was agreed that the strategy of the business, the essence of the business and how it thrived was brand management. Step 5, precision configuration. My major focus was then precision configuration, and this was a major focus for the balance of the project, working closely with Robert. In particular, we developed a highly structured brand hierarchy in the product class, and this enabled bespoke software to maintain the quality of the master data and also to integrate the product module with the projects module. The outcome, powerful brand management capability. Budget per month per brand line across 29 expense heads for every 12-month budget cycle, way beyond anything that they'd had before. Step 6, prove it works, the laboratory. We rigorously tested the configuration. Step 7, make it work, go live went flawlessly. 1 year on, sales and profits were up. Dior contacted Robert and said, we've heard that what you can do. Our present franchisee cannot do that, so we want to give the franchise to you. This led to a 12% overnight revenue uplift. I subsequently wrote 2 case studies with Robert that were presented at conferences. The outcome, as I mentioned earlier, facilitated growth, new distribution center necessity. See the photograph bottom left. Secured the Dior account with an immediate 12% revenue uplift. So the 7-step process will enable you to achieve a high-value outcome from your ERP. So I encourage you to sign up for the masterclass. Take action now, learn the recipe. Reply to the email with which you received this link, and I will send you the masterclass link by return. I guarantee you that if you attend the masterclass, you will take away at least one action you can apply immediately, and quite frankly, I think you'll take away a lot more. On the masterclass, I will take you through the 7-step process. I will explain each step in the process and I will give you pointers for actions you can take immediately. I really believe this is a high-value opportunity and I encourage you to reply to the email with which you received this link immediately, and I will send you the link to the masterclass. Alternatively, you can email me on masterclass@erpdoctor.com, or you can phone me on UK 776-862-2875. I look forward to hearing from you and to working with you on the masterclass. Thank you so much.